Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now plans are in high gear as the RJ Glina Communications Group and the Minister of Culture and Entertainment have teamed up to this year host a virtual New Year's Eve broadcast-driven event. Midnight Toast will see the popular Fame Frequency DJs being joined by some of Jamaica's top acts as the island, as much as the rest of the world, ring in the new year from their homes. For us, it's without the usual fireworks on the waterfront event due to the strictly observed curfew hours and gathering limits. Speaking to E-Prime, Culture Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange gave us details on this year's event.
But this New Year's Eve is going to be different from any other New Year's Eve we've ever experienced. Because of COVID-19, we are restricted in our movements. We are restricted in the gatherings, the numbers that would gather. Curfew begins at 10 p.m. And so the ministry has partnered with the RJ Glina Group to take the celebrations to you at home. Take the celebrations virtually so that we will still be connected, although we are apart. And remember that in spite of everything, we want to celebrate the new year and stay alive.
Midnight Toast will be hosted by Neville Bell and Jenny, with performances by Fab Five, Ernie Smith, Ken Booth, Elaine, Rondo Positive, and a special performance and prayer from Jermaine Edwards. Virtual event goers are asked to dress stylish to party with us and, of course, to join in on Zoom on the red carpet at 9 o'clock live on RETV and say cheers to a new year. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.